Okay, everyone, a very good evening to all of you and welcome to the conclusive day of the Summer Competition Fest. So, जो लोग पहले ज्वाइन कर लें, they are very very eager to present their PPTs and it's really evident. जिस तरह से उत्कर्ष ने बोला पहले मुझे yes sir, so that's very nice Utkarsh. So we are also very eager to see all of your presentations and let us begin without any further delay. So first I think Utkarsh आप बता रहे थे कि आपका थोड़ा इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम है, राइट? डेटा इज अबाउट टू गेट एग्जॉस्टेड, सो आई थिंक मे बी फर्स्ट आप प्रेजेंट कर लो अपना.
Yeah, I'll just like to mention just some points before all of this start.
Yes.
Actually regarding the PPT presentation they are going to do and all. So first of all, a quick check whether my video and audio is clear to all of you. No internet interruption. Is it fine, Deepak, Kartikeya?
Yes, sir. Is it fine? It is fine.
ठीक है, thank you, Utkarsh. Yeah.
मेरे यहाँ थोड़ा लैग कर रहा है.
क्या आपका नेटवर्क कैसा है दीपक?
सर थोड़ा डाउन वीक है बट चल जाएगा काम. थोड़ा वीक मतलब लैग कर रहा है वीडियो.
ओके ऐसा है. ठीक है, एटलीस्ट ऑडियो सही आ रहा है?
यस सर, ऑडियो सही आ रहा है.
Perfect. Yeah, so Hare Krishna to all the
Hare Krishna.
Devotees Kartikeya, Utkarsh, Deepak, Amit and Saransh. Okay, so I'll just wanted to mention quickly why we have kept this competition, like this PT presentation. No, what is the main purpose behind this? So the main purpose behind this competition or this PPT presentation which all of you will be doing is that all of you will be able to grasp the spiritual subject actually. Like if you see all of you, if you have to make the PPT, then you have to study Srila Prabhupada books or Journey Home on whatever whatever you have made the PPT on, and then you can study the books very nicely, and then because you have to tell to others, for that you will be you have to really understand it very deeply, because now you have to explain the same thing to others. In fact, if you see, Lord Krishna also says in Bhagavad Gita that anyone who shares this message of Bhagavad Gita with other people, he is most dear to me. So why? Because we are helping others also, we are helping ourselves also, and we can really go very deep into our understanding of spiritual subjects by doing this kind of different PPT presentations like that. So that's the main purpose. Also, I would like to mention the evaluation criteria, like how me and Gaurav will going to evaluate you for your PPT presentation. So the first criteria for this presentation will be your PPT, like how well you have made the PPT, how well you have crafted it, how nicely you have made it, definitely. So that's the first criteria. Second criteria is what content you are speaking, like how much depth it has, how much relevant it is to the topic, and how deep you have gone into the spiritual discussion. So that will be the second criteria, that what is the content you are speaking. And the third criteria would be that how well you are speaking, how well you are able to present those spiritual principles to others, like that. So these will be the three main criteria for all the PPT presentations. Okay. And also the time limit is 10 minutes. Right, Gaurav? It is 10 minutes, no? For everyone to present.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sure. Yeah, in case you have not made your PPT, then these two criteria will be active for you. What is the content and how well you are able to present it, like that. So please don't exceed beyond 10 minutes like that, and then maybe all of you can start. So we'll try to record your responses based on how you will present. So who is the first one to go, Gaurav?
Yeah, so Utkarsh was saying that he's having some net issues, and probably if this data gets exhausted, then he won't be able to join the session later on. I think
Sure.
first chance can be given to Utkarsh. Utkarsh, the stage is all set. Utkarsh, the stage is all yours. So over to you now, Utkarsh.
Please
Yeah.
give me a second, sir. Can laptop से connect हो जाऊँ एक बार.
Okay.
हाँ, sure. In fact, आप अगर अपना वीडियो भी ऑन कर लेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Like anyone who is speaking, if they can put their video on, that will be wonderful. Okay, Amit has joined by the name Amit Kumar EC, yeah, in bracket. Okay, thank you, Amit. Yeah, we understood it's you only. Okay, thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Karthike. I am so happy to see you now again online. In fact, Karthike is on the same place, no? I think it's his room, study room, or your own room. Okay, and Deepak, I am seeing in a different background. So, Deepak, is it the cyber cafe you were talking about?
No, sir. Actually, this room was my neighborhood friend.
अच्छा.
Hello.
हाँ, आवाज आ रहा है.
Audible? Hello.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, thank you, Deepak. Thank you, Karthike. Utkarsh is, I think, getting ready. And what about Karthik and Amit? Hope they are also good. Yeah, Utkarsh is there. I'll just put my laptop on charge.
You are not audible, sir.
Yeah, because I'm not speaking.
Utkarsh, I'm saying, if possible for you, can you please switch on your video?
Wait a while. I will try, sir. Okay.
Yeah, actually अच्छा रहता है अगर हम वीडियो से बोलते हैं ना, then it will boost your confidence also, and it appears very personal. जो लोग सुनने वाले हैं ना, उनको भी it appears very personal. Otherwise बहुत impersonal हो जाता है. ऐसा लगता है कि बस एक नाम लिखा हुआ है, वहां से आवाज आ रही है, इस तरीके से. या एक्चुअली इतने उलकर स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैं जैसे एक पॉइंट शेयर करना चाह रहा था. एक्चुअली आई वाज हैविंग अ वेरी गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग टुडे. वी वेंट फॉर वैक्सीनेशन टुडे फॉर दिस COVID vaccination. So what happened, I went to the center and there yeah, hope all of you are able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so so I went to the center there where they were having this vaccination going on, and then I saw that vaccination bottle. So I think that injection which was which they put to me, it was 5 ml like that, and that vaccination was Covaxin. So one very interesting thing I noted when I observed that vaccination medicine now which they put, it was completely transparent. It appears as if it is not so great vaccination and it will be able to save me or not. I was really very confused because it was looking so ordinary. It was completely transparent, exactly like water, like that. So afterwards I was thinking that yeah, recording in progress. Yeah, so Utkarsh, we are waiting for you. आप start करना चाहते हैं तो कर दीजिए, otherwise we'll give chance to someone else.
No, sir. I am trying to share my screen. Please give me a little bit time.
हाँ, sure. Take it. No issues. हम तो जस्ट इसलिए आपसे start कर रहे थे क्योंकि आपका internet weak था ना. That is why. Otherwise, anyone else can start.
Sir, I think Utkarsh needs to get that access permission from the host to share the screen. We'll require to
Really?
make him the co-host.
I think anybody can share.
Yes.
Can anyone of you just try? Are you able to share the screen? Even though you are not co-host? I think they can share. Yeah, see, they can share.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Deepak. Yeah, perfect.
I hope now my screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. It is a great, such a honor with all of you have after a long time. To let's begin. Before beginning my presentation, I want to be have a small prayer like Om Agyant Mirantasya Gyananjana Salakya Chakshu Chakshuritam Hena Tasmay Shri Gurve Namah.
Hey, Namaha.
Tasmay Shri Gurve Namah. Let's begin my PPT. This is the topic to give in all of you. This topic chosen by me is the making presentation on the way to Krishna. This book is written by Abhay Chandrarvind Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada ji. Let's move ahead in next slide. Yeah, these are the chapters in this book. The through way to happiness, the way of chanting and knowing Krishna, seeing Krishna everywhere and always, the roads of the foolish and the wise man is straying straying toward the supreme and move ahead. This is the first chapter of the book through way to Krishna. Few people and in this they told about in this in this chapter Srila Prabhupada ji wrote some facts that this I am showing you. Few people know that the world, the platform of real happiness is beyond temporary things. Every living being feels happiness or distress according to the degree of development of his consciousness. Although one animal may see that another animal is being slaughtered, he will go right on chewing grass. And chewing grass, I remember an example in this book, in this chapter. An example is given: a man who doesn't know the taste of sugar cane, a man who doesn't know the taste of sugar cane, anyone told him sugar sugar cane in taste is sweet. He he chose every bamboo tree rod and for taste of sugarcane, but he didn't find the taste of sugarcane in every bamboo rod. That's why before knowing the taste of anything, that taste is itself in our body. That's why that is the here is showing. After knowing the spiritual life, any person can enjoy the happiness by focusing on supreme soul within. And Krishna's consciousness is so potent that a little taste can save from the greatest danger. Little taste can save from our greatest danger. Let's move ahead in next slide. We showing the way of chanting and knowing the Krishna and before 10 days ago we have a great session on this and the way of chanting and by Kusal Vaishnav sir. There are lots of things he told us how to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and way of chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra and attentiveness, hearing it properly, like these things. And this the chanting of the way of chanting and knowing Krishna is man is Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is the Mahamantra. The sound vibration of this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is transcendental, which helps us to cleanse the dust from the mirror of the mind. And there is a famous poet name is Galib. He wrote उम्र भर गालिब एक ही गलती करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पे थी और आईना साफ करता रहा. Like this, we all of want to pure our soul. We are what are we doing? We are clean our faces and we are cleaning our body, but we do not pure our soul. For pure our soul, we have to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. For knowing Krishna, everyone has own conscious. It is not external, it is internal. In next slide, saying Krishna everywhere and always. because there is a statement, God is present everywhere, God is omnipotent, God is almighty, like this. These are the statement everyone has heard about it. Then this is in this chapter the Srila Prabhupada right, whatever can be observed is a combination of goodness, passion of passion or ignorance, and in all cases these states are produced by me. This is these produced by me because they are produced by Krishna. Their position, their position is in him, but he is not in them. For Krishna himself is transcendental to three models. And then Srimad Bhagavatam 18.61, this is Ishvara Sarva Bhutanam. Krishna is present, is always present within our heart. And there is a story, that Kasturi Mrag, everyone heard about Kasturi Mrag. He in his mm, उसकी नाभि से एक खुशबू आती है, and he find that fragrance. He wandered here and there, but the fragrance is in it, is in him. And as like this, we are finding Krishna here and there, but Krishna is in our heart. Like this is the way to sing Krishna everywhere and always. Krishna is itself in our heart. That is told in Srimad Bhagavatam, in Bhagavatam 18.61, Ishvara Sarvara Bhutanam. Krishna is always present within our heart. And I told a story of Kasturi Maraga. And in next, San Francisco also said, when our eyes are anointed with love of God, we can see him everywhere. He have to develop our seeing power by developing love of Godhead. When one is sufficiently developed in Krishna's consciousness, he can see the Lord every moment within his heart and everywhere, wherever he goes. Like this is the said by Francisco about the Lord Krishna. And next slide, we are moving the roads of the foolish and the wise. Those miscreant who are grossly foolish, lowest is stolen by illusion, and who partake of the atheistic nature of demons do not surrender unto me. And in this this is the told in Bhagavatam 7.15. And Krishna is enjoyer, Krishna is the proprietor, Krishna is proprietor, and Krishna is the friend. If you know these three things, then your knowledge is full. You do not require to understand anything more. This is Mundaka Upanishad 1.3. In this I I told you a saying. This is told in Mandukya Upanishad 1.3. And let's move ahead. This is the chapter steering toward the supreme. This is the fourth chapter. This is the last chapter, steering toward the supreme. When one becomes situated in Krishna's consciousness, like Dhruv Maharaj, he becomes fully satisfied and doesn't want anything. He this is the story of Dhruv Maharaj. He, when his father is not sitting him in his lap, he he thrown by his father, and he pray to Krishna, and he got a good position in the sky. And like Mirabai also attained Krishna by many efforts. He Mero to Girdhar Gopal or na dujo koi, like this, steering supreme toward the Lord. In this type, those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods, and those who worship ancestors to go to the ancestors, and those who worship me will live with me. In this is a saying in told in Bhagavad Gita 9.25, कि यदि हम अपने पूर्वजों की, अगर हम देवी देवताओं की, डेमी गॉड्स की प्रेयर करेंगे तो हम डेमी गॉड्स को प्राप्त होंगे. अगर हम एंसेस्टर को करेंगे तो एंसेस्टर को करेंगे. अगर हम लॉ अगर those who worship Krishna and he attain Krishna. This is the simple thing. Some facts about happiness. Is my slide is stuck? Hello, I am audible.
Yes, this is
Yeah.
stuck.
Stuck.
Yeah, हमें जो पहला slide है वही दिखाई दे रहा है actually.
Yeah. I am seeing in my mobile. but
अच्छा अच्छा
what yeah that's why I was telling please present me first, but this is the first is showing, after some time that is not showing, that's why. Okay, that is I'm ending now, was two or three slides are left. If you allow, can I continue? Hello.
yeah, you have almost time is
Once you
over as
click on
such.
the slide, Venkatesh,
Okay, let me finish. About my slides are about to finish. And some facts about happiness. Happiness is a state of mind and has nothing to do with the external world. All happiness is in the material world has a beginning and an end, but happiness in Krishna is unlimited, and there is no end. Free from all thoughts of I and mine, a man finds absolute peace. This is the key concept here, is कि free from all thoughts of I and mine, a man finds absolute peace. ये मेरा है, ये तुम्हारा है, like this. If we live with these types of things, we can feel absolute peace. And thus that's finished from my side. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Keep chanting Hare Krishna. Thank you.
या
Hello?
हाँ, थैंक यू सो मच उत्कर्ष। एक्चुअली हम आपका स्लाइड नहीं देख पाए, आप चाहें तो एक बार उसको स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए, हम देख लेंगे आपने क्या क्या स्लाइड में लिखा हुआ है एंड हाउ
Sir,
यू मेड।
I am scrolling in my laptop, but there is no moving. There is no moment in. Stop sharing. एक मिनट सर, let me.
हाँ हाँ, एक बार आप फिर
Share
से
again.
स्टार्ट शेयरिंग कीजिए और स्क्रीन शेयर कीजिएगा। एक्चुअली उसमें बहुत
Okay,
सारे
okay.
ऑप्शन होते हैं।
Okay, okay.
तो स्लाइड शो बढ़ा के हो सकता है।
हाँ, ऐसा भी हो सकता है। करेक्ट करेक्ट, ठीक है, एक बार शेयर कीजिए उत्कर्ष।
Yeah, I am sharing.
ओके, कार्तिक के नाम पे मेरा नाम, कार्तिक के फोटो में मेरा नाम क्यों आ रहा है? अच्छा, आई थिंक उत्कर्ष आपका शायद थोड़ा इंटरनेट वीक है, शायद इसलिए आपका
यही
स्क्रीन
सर।
थोड़ा स्टक है।
यस सर, ये हमेशा यही होता है सर, इसीलिए मैं कह रहा था कि अब ये हो पा रहा, फिर ये भी नहीं हो पाएगा थोड़े टाइम बाद।
नहीं, लेकिन एटलीस्ट
Hello?
अच्छा है, आपने जो बोला, जो एक्सप्लेन किया, दैट वाज वेरी नाइस इंडीड। तो आप एक काम कीजिएगा। अच्छा, आप अपना पीपीटी भेज चुके हैं क्या ऑलरेडी गौरव को और किसी को ऐसे?
हाँ, yes, I have received it.
जी सर, जी।
ठीक है, तो फिर आप स्क्रीन
गौरव सर को भेज चुका हूं मैं।
Okay, then you can stop sharing, Utkarsh. He can only show, Gaurav can only show if he has in his laptop the PPT.
I'll just need a minute to just show it. Give
Sure,
me a
sure.
minute.
So you can show it. You can show it, and by the time I will just add few points for Utkarsh presentation. So Utkarsh, thank you so much. First of all, you have given a very good presentation. At least I am seeing the first time you speaking alone, actually taking care of complete presentation, PPT बनाना, उसका जो content है उसको बोलना और हमें समझाना. So I could see that you have did it very nicely. Especially जो आपने examples use किए ना बीच में, वो बहुत अच्छे examples थे. या एक्चुअली आप ही के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, आप ही नहीं रहेंगे तो कुछ फायदा नहीं रहेगा। या करेक्ट। तो
सर, मैं ये कह रहा था कि मेरे में स्लाइड्स मूव कर रही थी, लेकिन पता नहीं उसमें क्यों नहीं मूव कर रही थी।
नो इश्यूज। या ऐसा हो जाता है, इसमें हो जाता है।
मैक्सिमम जो पॉइंट थे वो जो स्लाइड्स में मेंशन नहीं, मैंने वो अपनी तरफ से बोले थे।
हाँ, गुड एक्चुअली। तो
हाँ, वो क्योंकि अगर लिखता उन्हें तो काफी हो जाता, काफी स्लाइड्स हो जाती, इसलिए उन्हें मैंने अपनी तरफ से बोला।
या करेक्ट। So I also appreciated that very much. आपने जो examples use किए बीच में बहुत सारे, और सिर्फ मतलब जो टॉपिक था उसको बहुत टू द पॉइंट रख के, और आपने जो भी हमारे प्रैक्टिकल डे टू डे लाइफ के एग्जांपल्स उनको बहुत अच्छे से शेयर किया. So that was very nice. इनफैक्ट आपका पीपीटी का मैं फर्स्ट पेज देख पा रहा था. That was very nicely made. On the way to Krishna, and then आपने जो नाम है वो भी लिखा शिला प्रभुपाद का, and then I could see few slides but I could not see them fully. लेकिन yeah, at least your PPT also was good and your content also was very to the point like that. तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा था. और उसके साथ में आपने जो बोला, मेरी बस एक ही शिकायत है, मैं आपका वीडियो नहीं देख पाया एक्चुअली. अगर आपका वीडियो भी ऑन होता तो then it would have become really better. but it's fine. At least we have been able to hear you.
भी
So,
हाँ जी सर, अगर वीडियो में ऑन कर लेता तो शायद मेरी आवाज भी ना आती आपको।
sure. I understood. Yeah, because थोड़ा internet का issue
हाँ,
रहा होगा।
दिन में डाटा यूज हो जाता है इस वजह से।
ठीक है,
जी।
लेकिन like if I say what presentation have given overall, yeah, so I am telling
Yes, sir.
what presentation you have given or overall is very good, like that. So thank you so much. I maybe Gaurav also can add few points, whatever he liked in the presentation.
Yes, sir. So, as you told, it was really very nice, unexpectedly very nice presentation by Utkarsh. Actually, I was really thoughtful about because उन्होंने पहले बोला था कि उनको इसका ज़्यादा आइडिया नहीं है इतना ऑन स्टेज प्रेजेंटेशन वगैरह देने का. So I thought maybe वो थोड़े nervous होंगे and he might be feeling a little afraid or something. But the way he has presented it is really nice. और especially I liked the examples जो he was giving during the presentation. So whenever we present something, when we add some examples and especially the quotation from scriptures, so that adds really strong weight to our points. तो जो भी इन्होंने बोला था, he has added शास्त्रिक quotation, so it was very nice, Utkarsh. And जैसा कि सर ने बोला, yes, the only thing was कि screen अगर थोड़ा चलता, but yes, of course, net issues थे. So rest all was very nice. So really had a good time seeing your presentation. So I'll just share this.
Sir, I tried my best
Yeah,
because
yeah.
I use totally English.
Yeah, it was
जनरली मैं हिंदी में ही बात करता हूँ, लेकिन आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट। मैंने कहा आज पूरा इंग्लिश में ही ट्राई करूंगा सब।
okay.
अच्छा था, बहुत अच्छा था in fact.
So I'll just share the screen. Give me a moment.
In fact, friends, Kushal Vaishnav sir also will try to join us in between. Actually, he is very busy today, lekin he told he will take out some time. So I think in between for some time he will join.
Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, you can start the slideshow maybe.
So first is about the chapters.
Okay, wonderful. So way to happiness. Okay. Next one. The way of chanting and knowing Krishna. Oh, good. So this is the next chapter. This is the third chapter. Seeing Krishna everywhere and always. Okay. Next one, Gaurav. See, all these points he has shared, I just wanted to see the PPT, like how he is made. The road of the foolish and the wise. Oh, very good. Bhagavad Gita 7.15. Okay, next one. Then is steering towards the Supreme. Okay. Mirabai also attends Krishna. Wonderful. Some facts about happiness. Oh. Next one. Thank you. Thank you so much, Utkarsh. Wonderful. Hare Krishna. Oh, beautiful, huh? I also like this photo very much, this Hare Krishna Mahamantra photo. I think this is the last slide now. Okay, so thank you so much, Utkarsh, for wonderful presentation. Who is the next one, Gaurav?
Next, I would like to call upon Deepak. Deepak, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Deepak. The stage is all yours now.
Hare Krishna, sir.
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Deepak. So I have kept your video on spotlight. Don't worry, when you share your screen, it will be all right.
स्क्रीन से अभी शेयर हो पा रहा है सर?
हाँ, स्क्रीन शेयर हो रहा है.
First of all, Hare Krishna to everyone. Today my first presentation like that. And uh, I made a PPT on the journey home. I like most that book in my because it is my gifted book from Gaurav sir. So I would like to start right now. So first of all, I will mention the first slide, autobiography of an American Swami, the journey home.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
The journey home, or autobiography of an American Swami, also in many Indian languages. You can see the many books in the slides. I would like to mention some names of books in different languages. Just like in Marathi, we called it Tirshad Pathi. In Hindi, Anokha Shafar. Gujarati, Pile Panara Paravash. In Telugu, would called Amma Odilo Ko Payanam. These all are all these names of the same book, The Journey Home, in different languages, like Tamil, Telugu, and different. Next slide will be how, why, what is the purpose of such kind of spiritual books? So first of all, it is a purpose transmit the Vedic knowledge in Kali Yuga, in modern people for understanding the spiritual knowledge. These books are based on the Srila Prabhupada, founder Acharya ISKCON and his followers. And third one is making the Indian traditional wisdom relevant and available to world. Means everyone can take it easily and understand the spirituality and follow the path of the spiritual life. Yeah. And this book, one more extra is Sri Prabhupada's Samranam. In this book, all these memories, peaks are concluded in that book, and it is mentioned by Satyaswaram Dasha Goswami. Okay, next slide will be the journey home. What is the inside us? We have found it. The journey home is generational classic book. In this must read book by seekers of all sorts. Mean it's read by children, young age, old age. It's this book kind of book are belongs to all ages of. And second point, a sensitive, comprehensive, and inspiring book, and developing deep into spirituality. The next point, two books, Nectar Drops and the Nectar Streams, are around. I would like to mention these books because for fundamental principle of spiritual life, in which we mention if we remain faithful to the ideals we strive for, all the tests will make us stubborn. Means when we are ideal to our spiritual path, then it's more stronger to our motivated like to follow the path in the right way. And the second spiritual fundamental principle is the when we try to hate someone, like eagerly type, then we are also hurt inside like that. Articles carried out from it evolve. Handling external changes is task of nature, and the handling internal changes is the task of the spirit. Means when you are when you are better deep understanding our spiritual and try to understand the spirituality, then it's easy to follow the path of. Hello.
Yeah, you are audible, Deepak.
Yes, And the next article is the real you, in which I mention a successful person is one who see a positive opportunity in every situation of life. That it's competition where we are. I think it's my better option for me to present on all of us in the front of all of us. It's motivated me in the next time for better like that. The wisdom tree. A mistake is a mistake when if you don't learn from it. Today I will give a presentation and I don't learn from it, then it's always carry out from next PPT presentation like that, and it is always a mistake of in my life. So like that, the journey home quotes. Some quotes I found in that book. I mentioned here, sex could be the gift of God, but when it becomes an obsession, it plunders all intelligence and the peoples are driven to the abominable act to satisfy their lust. When passion is frustrated, people lose all good sense. Yeah, and Nietzsche, and down it, I mentioned some tags, frustration, gifts, God, intelligence, love, passion, share. All these are in the part of the course. First, in it, I would like to mention why I liked it, that quote to mention in the PPT. In it, it shows when we are uh, uh, when we are not understanding the gift of God and thinking over much and driving to in another direction, it's a it is a given it's like a loss of our spirituality and our goodness like that. The next quote is, if we become overly attached to externals, we may forget their very purpose to purify the heart. Means like it's a materialistic world. When you are included in the nature of materialistic world, then we do not understand what we do and deviated from the spiritual path. That's why I mentioned that one. The next one, our free will could convert a curse into a blessing, or blessing into a curse. To transform a crisis into an opportunity was true wisdom, like that. The next one, the Mother Ganga teaches us that if we want to attain the sea of our aspiration, we must preserve our goal and never be discouraged by the individual obstacle that comes in our path. In you know that quotes, I would like to mention the obstacles carried out in the river when Ganga started from the Himalayas, yeah, and she passes from the different states and the curved structures like where he um, where she found many types of circle like rocks, bridges, and he clear all that and last he could reach the destination like that, and it's like inspiration for us when we started the spirituality. Many obstacles come in our life like that. Uh, our neighbors would like to say something on comments like that. Our friends. The next quote says, the world obstacle endlessly between pleasure and pain. She continued, there can be no security, no stability here. These are to be found in God alone. Means I would like to mention here uh, whe- when you born at a time and after some days I will go to die. No stability here. Only it is at in spirituality, and spirituality represent our God like that. How to in the last second last PPT, I'd like to mention message in a given book. how to attend the Krishna conscious by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, by sending all our activities to the Supreme Lord, like when we go for dinner, breakfast, like prasadam, like a devotee, where serve serve first please serve to the Lord, and then it's a pleasure, it's give us pleasure like that. Uh, and last, by reading holy scriptures and follow it in our life by becoming true devotee of Lord. Hare Krishna, everyone. Hare Krishna.
Yeah, Deepak, wonderful PPT. And also you have explained also very beautifully. In fact, I could see the PPT was made very nicely, and the content which you spoke was also very well actually. I could see how you have taken out those three themes. I really like that you have taken out the wisdom tree, the real you, and what was the first one?
Evolve.
Evolve. Yeah,
Evolve.
evolve. Correct. So these three themes you only have taken out from the book?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good actually. And after that, I saw that beautifully you have shown the different quotes from the book, and then definitely what is a conclusion. And then I am very happy that you have really brought a very powerful conclusion from the book, that we have to keep chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and then we have to surrender everything to Lord, all the activities and all that. Actually very beautiful. I would say it was really a very good PPT, and definitely you spoke also very well all the examples, and it shows actually that you have really read that book very nicely with great depth and details. So thank you so much. Yeah, you also want to mention, Gaurav?
So I just wanted to say first of all that Khushal sir is there amongst us. He told he would join in some time. So right now is there. Sir, are you there?
Hare Krishna, welcome all of you. Sorry I got late. I have limited time today. I could just see little part of that PPT, last wala part I could see, na? So Deepak, you have made a presentation upon Journey Home book, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I could see that Ganges wala jo aapne bataya na, Ganga ji wala. That's a very good
Yes.
example of Ganges. I have also heard from Radhanath Maharaj. He shares about that how जो river होती है, गंगा जो होती है, कैसे जब वो माउंटेन के ऊपर से जब फ्लो करना स्टार्ट करती है तो बीच में बहुत सारे ऑब्स्टेकल्स आते हैं, बहुत सारे हर्डल्स आते हैं, बट वो सबसे साइड से वेज निकाल के वो लोग अल्टीमेट डेस्टिनेशन पे पहुंच जाती है. वैसे इन आवर लाइफ आल्सो वी आर ऑन अ जर्नी, एंड व्हाट इज दैट जर्नी ऑल अबाउट? आवर जर्नी इज अ स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी. आवर गोल इज टू गो बैक टू गॉड हेड. ओके, so in between, while we are staying in this world, in our journey we will find many obstacles and challenges, but we have to continue our journey like the river. So I saw that quote you have put. That's a very wonderful quote. And I could see the last PPT also. Your presentation is good. Surely you can evolve as a very mature speaker in time to come. And reading that book itself is a very good thing. It's the best utilization of time which you have done in these holidays. अभी पढ़ा आपने? पूरा book पढ़ लिया आपने वो?
जैसे पूरा बुक था पढ़ लिया.
Okay. How did you find it? कैसा लगा आपको book?
I like most in the spiritual sense. It's a very interesting book.
And you know, amazing thing. It's not a, it's an amazing. It's a purely real incident which has happened. You know, it's nothing fiction. सब कुछ purely हुआ है. You know, it's a story about a seeker. How when somebody has a very genuine.
It's also help you to improve our skills and like that.
So it's a true story of a seeker, you know, how if somebody has a very genuine spirit to know about God, then how God makes all the arrangement for one to come to the right place and to the right people. So he's a very famous personality, and nice that you have read this book nicely. Okay, good PPT, wonderful, and surely you can come out as a very good presenter in time to come. Right? Thank you. Others are also there, na? Karthik, Amit, and Utkarsh. I may have to leave in some time. Maybe I can I know from all of you? आप लोगों ने किस पे PPT बनाया है? What is your presentation about? Yes, Karthik.
Yes, sir. Oh,
On the way to Krishna. Mine is on the way to Krishna.
On the way to Krishna. Okay. Some
Yes.
lessons from the On the way to Krishna.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Me also on prepare on Utkarsh on the way to Krishna.
Okay, fine. Good, very nice. And Karthik and Amit?
Beyond birth and death.
Sorry?
Beyond birth and death.
Beyond Birth and Death. Okay, read another book, a special book. Good. Amit, what about you?
सर मैंने पीपीटी नहीं प्रेजेंट बनाई है अभी.
Okay, fine. आप कुछ प्रेजेंट करने वाले हो फिर अभी?
नो सर, मैं मतलब बुक रीडिंग किया ना, कुछ उसके कुछ पॉइंट्स मेरे को काफी अच्छे लगे, उसको जस्ट मैं प्रेजेंट करना चाहूंगा.
Okay. कौन सा बुक स्टडी किया आपने?
ऑन द वे टू कृष्णा.
Okay. अच्छा. It's very good if you can share also. That will also help, है ना? Okay, you all can continue, है ना? I will also be there for some part, and then I will have to leave in between, है ना? Akshay, you can go on with your plan. है ना? Also, just
Yeah,
one
thank
thing,
you,
you
sir.
can record it. You can record it, put it on your YouTube channel, so that when I will have time, I will surely see it. As soon as I will get time, I will surely like to see it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. So who is the next one, Gaurav? I think we should hear from
Yeah, so just before moving on to the
Karthik now,
next
huh?
one, I just wanted to say something about Deepak's introduction. When Deepak introduced the PPT, it was very nice when he introduced the book. उन्होंने अलग-अलग languages में book के नाम बताए. So I really like that innovative idea of introducing the book. It was very nice. And जैसा we had told you about we are told about कि you have to tell about lessons that are really relevant in today's life. So he has picked up those lessons which are really applicable. जैसे he told the quote about that how sex is a gift of God, but when one becomes obsessive about it, how people suffer due to it. And then he told about this one also, the real you, that I like very much. There was a quote: "If mistake is a mistake, if we don't learn from it." So that they were very powerful quotes. So really wonderful presentation, Deepak.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, Deepak, for a wonderful presentation. Now, I just wanted to know: is there anyone who has some other engagements beside this? Because if anyone is in like hurry, then they may present first. Because, or maybe we can go like, can Karthike come next? If no one has any urgency.
Yeah, sure. I think he can present next, Karthik.
Okay, Karthike, stage is set.
Yes. Is my PPT up, sir?
Yeah, now your screen is visible.
So is it visible in full screen? Huh?
Yes.
Yeah, it is coming, but it is blank right now.
Okay, it will show.
Yeah, it's loading. I don't know.
So is it now there?
Yes, now it's visible.
So Hare Krishna, everyone. So today I, Kartikeya Sati, is presenting a book review on the book On the Way to Krishna. So let us go with some I have made some points which we are going to talk about, some interesting points about the book, some helpful points which you can take up from the book, from the examples and all, and the practical application which we can see from the book. So let us continue. So let us first say about something about the book. So On the Way to Krishna is written by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. A.C. stands for Abhay Charnavrin. And so his books are respected for their authority, depth, and clarity. Like he writes in a very clear language, like to the point, not beating about the bush. So it's very clear. It has 5 chapters, as everyone else had told earlier also, in 80 pages, which gives a step-by-step understanding of the topic. And it is written in very simple language for everyone to read and understand it. So it is nothing like very high vocabulary. So yeah. So let us go to the next page. So now talking about the interesting points, the first interesting point is it provides some very important knowledge in a very short pages, like in 70-80 pages. It very important knowledge, and it speaks very high. So it's very interesting to read also, because it is like small, but it provides us with important knowledge also. Then the language is simple, as I told you, so it can be considered interesting as it is very simple and everyone can understand it, and the book can spread its message widely. Then we can talk about like if someone is developing Krishna consciousness, like he is just into it, so he may find it very interesting, because uh, like in this book always, like this characters of the book, that is very small and makes everyone interested to read it. So yeah, so one may develop Krishna, and one of the last things is that it provides examples from authentic sources like from the Vedas and shlokas also. It is very helpful in learning shlokas, and like you can see relevant examples, and yeah, you can see very good examples also. That as I told you earlier, also the 5 chapters are very well distributed. They cover different topics and problems faced by Krishna, like people in achieving Krishna consciousness. So the problems, like in the book, the problems are like they are like we can say that they are arised also, and like it is solved by the book only, by giving answers. The book gives answers also. So it is very interesting, and continuing this point, I can also say that this book has a question and answer format. Like it asks open questions like, why are we in this world, why God never comes in front of us, like I have mentioned 2 questions. So it asks questions and answer it, which I think is a proper like proper way of learning spirituality, by question and answer format. So as we have also learned through Kushal Vaishnav sir also, that question and answer format is a true way of learning spirituality, questioning in a submissive way. And the last is with the interesting point is that uh, it uh, it tells us by like relating it to science and philosophy. Like it gives scientific examples also. So, something it says with science, something is says with the philosophy of the Bhagavad Gita and everything. So yeah, it's so now let us move to the next slide. Let us about helpful points which are the first chapter only tells us about what real happiness is, something what real happiness is, or to something who is Krishna conscious. Like it is not lying in the material world, but it lies in a spiritual world with serving God. So one who is reading the book will know about it, surely will come to know about it. And then one of the most important points you can take home from it is that it tells us about chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is the way suggested in Vedas for this Kali Yuga age to serve God. Like there are different ways. There are different ways mentioned in the Vedas about in different ages to serve Lord. So Hare Krishna is one of them. But because our the current generation is not looking up to the Vedas, so in this book they can develop interest about the about chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, because it provides sufficient examples to it, and yeah, it is like it lays emphasis on Hare Krishna, chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So this is one thing. And then other is like one may feel about how how like one being a family man can become equal to sadhu, because they are like sadhus are full time to dedicate to spiritual life, but how can a family man so in this book also there are several examples, and several paragraphs are dedicated to this only, that how a family man who is like having a family can still be Krishna conscious without like leaving up his family. So yeah, it is also a very great point. Then the point is like it answers, as I already told you, like it has a question answer format, so it raises question. So some of the most important questions are raised by it, like you can say like I already told you, what is our origin, like our suffering, why are we suffering here, and life after death. These are some of the most like uh, unsolved, like science cannot answer them actually. So these questions are answered by in the book, and it gives references from the Vedas. So Vedas are a different source, but it provides it in a much concise manner, and you can learn from it. Then it tells us about how this world is made of three modes of goodness, passion, and ignorance, and it also tells us that we are bound by it. But it also tells us that we are bound by it, and to serve the and when we serve the supreme, then only we are free from it. Otherwise, we can't be freed from it, and we can't go to the spiritual world. So this is a very like good point. Then one of the best points I found, like it is like that uh, like we human beings have six greatest enemies on the path of attaining supreme, which are, as mentioned, like I have mentioned them: lust, pride, envy, anger, illusion, and greed. So this book actually mentions all of them, tells about how we can solve them, like how we can not be in lust but in love with God, how pride, envy, and anger to anyone is like destroying us only, by giving sufficient examples also, like how anger destroyed someone. And yeah, this is and the final point, important point I would like to highlight is like how it also tells us that like we as human being are gifted by God, that we can like we have got a chance from the God that we can return back to spiritual world. In the animal life we can't do it actually, because they have not developed consciousness to preach God. They're always in the like always in sex life, meat eating and eating, sleeping, mating, defending, they are already doing. So yeah, so this is another point. Then let us come to the final point. Like I already told you about all the helpful points. So these were the things said by the Vedas. But what we have to take home from it, like what are the practical benefits which we can apply. So first thing is that a feeling of respect, like the practical benefits is that we feel respectful to and everything else. So it is a very good point. Like we come to know from the book that everyone is part and parcel of God. So when we're preaching Krishna consciousness, we know that everyone is a part and parcel of God. So we must respect it. So in the society, there's the feeling of respect for elders and compassion for the juniors, and love for the equals. So second point is the second point is actually the most important. It is the main point, like how we have to always chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. In this generation, like many atheists, they will not look up to something like no, we will not chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So it provides for them actually the practical benefits, in the sense that it increases concentration. They will not believe in God. They will, I think, not believe in God because they are atheists. So they will not be upon the point that Hare Krishna Mahamantra is helps in reviving love for the Supreme Father. But they will surely get the point of increasing your concentration. So this book also lets us know this also. So yeah, so the Hare Krishna Mahamantra can target a bigger audience through this book. And some last of the tips is that like there are many books, Quran, Bible, Gita in the world, and the today's generation is not reading. So it teaches us how we read a spiritual book and chant Hare Krishna to serve the Supreme Lord. So this is one of the most important points. And finally, the four bad habits of the human beings of intoxication, meat eating, gambling, and illicit sex can be sorted out from this book. It targets them and makes sure that we understand that these are completely nuisance things, and we must just stand the lanes of Hare Krishna. So yeah, thank you, and I would just say you all must keep reading books, as they are the source of knowledge, and the source of spiritual knowledge. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, I could also hear your presentation. I could take out some time that way. Good PPT you have made, Kartikeya. I think Gaurav has told me that you have made some posters also. No, I could see some of those posters.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So Krishna has given you some artistic mind, I think. So
Thank you, sir.
you have good color combinations, some color, good font and other things. and also the content was also very good which you chose now, especially this practical application part which you shared about from the book.
Yes, sir.
About this, giving up these 4 bad habits and studying the scriptures and how to see everyone as a part and parcel of the God, by Krishna consciousness we can develop this kind of vision. So good, very nice. It shows that you have really put a lot of heart to read the book and to understand the things. Like this we have to read actually the books and all, no? So trying to understand the things in a very proper perspective and in a deeper way. So actually these spiritual books are wonderful. They are all like, जैसे जैसे समुद्र में जब हम गोते मारते हैं तो बहुत सारे डायमंड्स मिलते हैं ना. So these books are also like that. Spiritual books are like that only. अगर आप उसमें डीप जाना चाहोगे तो आपको बहुत सारे wonderful, you will get to have very wonderful, diamonds and rubies, etc. So happy to see your presentation. Thank you for your wonderful efforts. Hare Krishna. Akshay and Gaurav, you also please can share your some thoughts, है ना?
Yeah, sir. Actually, thank you so much, Karthike. I also really appreciated your PPT very much. See, I also likes to make some PPTs and all, and I could see that you really have made a very beautiful PPT. From the first slide itself, I could understand that you have like really thought of a theme. Like when we make a PPT, we should have a theme in mind that every slide should go by the same thing. So that designing wise also your PPT was very nice. And if I see your content also ना, जो आपका पूरा content था, वो भी बहुत अमेजिंग था. लाइक एटलीस्ट मैं एक चीज सोच रहा था जब आप अपना पीपीटी कर रहे थे प्रेजेंट. सो आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट इफ समबडी हैज टू बी टोल्ड अबाउट दिस बुक ऑन द वे टू कृष्णा, तो इस पीपीटी से अच्छा तरीका नहीं रहेगा कोई और कि इफ समबडी कैन सिंपली टेल इन 5-10 मिनट्स अबाउट दिस बुक with the help of your PPT, then he'll be fully convinced actually that yes, I'm going to receive a some very valuable diamonds from this PPT, from this book, like that. So thank you so much, and definitely you spoke also so nicely, like everything went in a flow and everything came out very proper. At least all of us could understand everything very well. So I could see all the 3 points you have really justified in your overall presentation. So thank you. All the best for future also.
Yeah, thank you so much, Karthike, for a very wonderful presentation. And especially, I like the part where you introduced about the author. So when you introduced about the author, it was a very beautiful picture of Srila Prabhupada, and then you told how his works are so authoritative, so deeply, and you highlighted his importance in the research of Vedas. That was very nice to introduce the author also. And at the same time, when you began about the book, you systematically told that the book, first of all, highlights these are the problems, and the format of the book is in the form of question and answer, which is a very wonderful way of understanding spirituality, and how the problem, the question and answers proceed in a manner to systematically make one understand the process of Krishna consciousness. So I really like the organized way in which you presented everything. It was really wonderful presentation, and like sir told, PPTs were also very nice, and especially in the PPT, I like the part where it was written Jai Shri Krishna in the corner. That is very nice to see.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that wonderful PPT.
Thank you, sir.
And next up, we have Karthik with the book Beyond Birth and Death. So Karthik, really very eager to see your presentation. The stage is all set. Karthik, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. It'll be nice if you can switch on your video also.
So is my screen is visible?
Yes, it is visible.
Everyone. The book Beyond Birth and Death, written by Swami Srila Prabhupada.
Yes, Karthik, if you can switch on your video, it will be nice, if it's possible for you.
सर वो मेरी वॉइस लैग करती है. चलो.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. I read about the book Beyond Birth and Death, written by Swami Srila Prabhupada. I actually love the first chapter of this book. That is, we are not these bodies. It is very true that that we should understand that we are not these bodies. We are spirits. That is written as written in this. We just uh, we just do activities which gives us the pleasure on physical level, but on a spiritual level we should do efforts. And sir, also we are spirits and we have consciousness, and our body without consciousness is just a dead body. And also I thought of the one PDF sent by Akshay sir, in which it was written that our biggest enemy is lust, which gives us too much pleasure also. So I should start now. In Bhagavad Gita, Shri Krishna clearly said that all of our miseries and are due to false identification with the body. We engages ourselves in just cheap pleasures and forgot the main goal of our life. There is nothing like happiness or sadness. These are just temporary feelings. I get to understand this after reading one beautiful shloka given in this book. That is, O son of Kunti, the non-permanent appearance of heat and cold, happiness and distress, and their disappearance in due course are like the appearance and disappearance of winter and summer seasons. They arises from sense perception, O scion of birth, and and one must learn to tolerate them without being disturbed. As a boat on the water is swept away by a strong wind, even one of the senses on which our mind focuses can carry away a man's intelligence. Also, after reading this book, I got to know about the wonderful information that one who at the time of death his mind, fixes his life air between the eyebrows and in full devotion engages himself in remembering the Supreme Lord will certainly attain the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Whatever the state of one of being one remembers when he quits his body, that state he will attain without fail. Also in Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna clearly said that after attaining him, we would never return to the temporary world which is full of miseries. So we should try to always chanting about Hare Krishna and keep growing on the spiritual path. Next one, I love what Arjun have said to the Krishna in Kurukshetra. Arjun said, "O Almighty Lord, I have no desires to accumulate wealth, nor I have any desire to enjoy beautiful women, nor do I want any number of followers. What I want only is that I may have your causeless devotion service in my life, birth after birth." And I generally kept this in mind as there is no difference in Lord Shri Krishna and Rama. Tulsidas also has said that राम कृष्ण तो एक हैं अंतर नहीं निमेश एक एक नियत गंभीर है एक सकल विशेष. So I also could have such type of devotion in my Lord Ram. I also recognize this type of devotion to Lord in Hanuman too for Sri Ram. A person who accepts the path of this devotional service is not a birth of the result derived from the studying the Vedas, performing austere sacrifice, giving charity, or pursuing philosophical and fruitive activities. At the end, he reaches the supreme abode. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karthik. Shal sir, are you there? Okay. So sir is a little bit busy right now, so he told he's there in some other engagements are there. So Akshay sir, yeah, you can share about Karthik.
Yeah, sure. Actually, thank you so much, Karthik. First of all, very short, very crisp PPT, and everything you have told so nicely. Actually, in the same, I think you are the one who has really followed the time limit very nicely, like that. So yeah, definitely your PPT was very straightforward. Yeah, definitely you would have made it some more beautiful by having a proper background and maybe some more photos. Like yeah, as such, for if you want to explain to someone, it was very straightforward and extremely clear. Like whatever the points you want to tell, so it was very proper to grasp, like that. तो उस सेंस में बहुत अच्छा था आपका पीपीटी. So it was very clear, like that. And definitely जो आपने उसमें points share किए, that particular content which you shared, वो भी बहुत अच्छा content था actually. Definitely उसको देख के लग रहा है actually आपने like read किए होंगे बहुत सारे points बहुत अच्छे से deeply actually. So thank you so much for that as well. So your PPT, your content was very good, and also your way of speaking was also very good. I was also it's fine. We understand issue going on everywhere. So तो उस सेंस में ठीक था. या एक जस्ट चीज जो थोड़ा सा ऐड कर सकते हैं, that can be that you can speak even more emphatically. मतलब आपका जो वॉइस था थोड़ा सा बीच में हल्का हो रहा था, थोड़ा सा तेज हो रहा था, तो उसको जस्ट थोड़ा सा ऐड कर सकते हैं. Overall it was very good actually, like that. And I see the last slide also you have kept, thank you, and the photo of Lord Shri Ram, like that. So even that was also very beautiful. So overall it was very good, like that. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Akshay sir. And Karthik, it was really amazing to see your PPT. Especially one line which I liked a lot from your PPT was that you wrote, "I wish I could have such devotion to Lord Ram." So that really touched my heart. And you told, "I recognize Hanumanji as a great devotee of Lord Ram." So the purpose of reading books, as sir was telling, is to bring about the transformation within us. And the way you expressed it in your PPT was amazing. I personally, I also have great feelings for Lord Ram. So really loved your PPT presentation, and thank you so much. So moving on ahead, Nitish, are you having a stable connection? Would you be able to present your PPT? Or else, if you want, even we can also present. I can present from my side. Nitish, are you there? Okay, perhaps Nitish.
I think he might be facing some internet issue.
Yeah, some internet issues. Meanwhile, Amit, I think it's your turn now. So we are really eager to hear from you also. You were interested in reading On the Way to Krishna. So please share from your wonderful reading what points touched your heart.
First of all, Hare Krishna, everyone. Am I audible, sir?
Hare Krishna, you're audible. Can you please make yourself visible also?
No, sir. अभी मैं छत पे था थोड़ा, तो
Okay.
possible नहीं.
Okay. All right.
As I have not read the entire book, so I have not prepared the PPT. So whatever I read, I like the few points the most. I would like to present that point in front of all of you. So firstly, the book is On the Way to Krishna. It explains and answer beautifully the questions of general queries of a people, like what in this material world the people are so frustrated. In the meanwhile, the Srila Prabhupada Maharaj came and spread the knowledge of spirituality, how to attain the real happiness in life, how to be happy, how one can be happy, and he explained the various methods and simple methods to get out of all these material miseries and a lot of sins. So in the first chapter, that is Through Way to Happiness, it explains beautifully that what is a real happiness. First of all, to happiness is generally perceived through our senses, and to be more precise, it should be one should have a developed senses to perceive happiness. And in this book, there is an important point also, like there are sadhus. A question arises in people's mind that what kind of pleasure are the yogis are releasing if they are taking so much of trouble, like if there is no pleasure in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, or if there is no enjoyment, then what is the point of going to so much trouble to control the senses? The answer of this question is that the spirit soul is eternal and the Supreme Lord is eternal. Therefore, the reciprocation of their loving actions is eternal. So actually, by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it connects a person eternally to the Lord. So Supreme Ananda for sadhus, and this type of spiritual, this type of activity liked by the Lord the most. And one more question that often comes, like one can be, how can one can drag his mind to Krishna's consciousness? The answer of this question is very simple. Like by yoga, by practicing yoga, we can literally drag the mind to the Krishna's consciousness. For example, we can see that in the pond, what happens? The mud is settled down, and when we throw some stones, what happens? The mud, suddenly a cloudiness appears. The same happens with our mind in this material world, is that when we see a lot of things in this material world, our mind is not settled. But by practicing yoga or by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, it allows all the thoughts, sinful thoughts, to settle down, and it helps us very effectively. Similarly, we can see in the second chapter the way of chanting and knowing Krishna. This chapter will help us to clean the dust from the mirror of the mind. What happens in this chapter? There are 2 questions which I would like to discuss the most. First question is, yes, the first question is, first question that generally arises in the mind is that to give the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna, why chose the Arjuna? Because Arjuna was not a great scholar, not a Vedantist, not a philosopher, and not a Brahmana. So why Lord Krishna choose Arjuna? Because the answer is because Arjuna is a devotee. Only the qualification which is required to understand the knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita is that one should have Krishna's consciousness. One must be a devotee of Lord Krishna, and that is a simple answer. Now, again a question arises that what is this Krishna's consciousness? Krishna's consciousness is generally, it is a process of cleansing the dust from the mirror of the mind. So chanting of Hare Krishna Mahamantra, that is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. By chanting this mantra and by hearing Bhagavad Gita, we can gradually attain the Krishna's consciousness. And at last, the one more question that arises. Yes, that's it. At the last, I would like to discuss some points about the Srila Prabhupada Maharaj, who is the author of this book. Like he was born in 1896 in Calcutta, and he was ordered by his spiritual master guru to broadcast the Vedic spiritual knowledge in English to the Western countries. I would also like to present some points of his achievement, like he spread the holy name all around the world, and second one is that he started the Rath Yatra all over the world, and he built almost 108 temples in 12 years in the from 1965 to 1977, and he wrote approximately 70 books on the scriptures and science of Hare Krishna, Krishna's consciousness. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so thank you so much, Amit. I could see many points you have learned deeply. In fact, हमारा जो during our SSTW workshop also जो हमने अपना वो किया था on the way to Krishna का book reading, so I could see आपने उसमें भी बहुत अच्छे से किया था participate and all. So I could see actually कि आपने बहुत सारे deep points निकाल के लाए हैं regarding happiness, regarding chanting and all that. So thank you so much. Regarding content and how to tell, it was really very nice. Definitely PPT was not there. Like from that point of view, it was good. Yeah.
Sir, like I was not prepared. Like I have points, but not in organized manner. So I feel काफी बार दिक्कत हो रही थी कि किसको कैसे वे में बोल ले, like present करने में काफी दिक्कत हो रही थी. Like I have not decided to even come in this session. I just marked the points in the book and I just took the points from the book and just spoke.
Yeah, sure. Actually, it was really nice.
Sir, I have questions. Can I ask you after the session? I can ask.
Sure. After the session.
Okay.
Yeah, Amit, it was really a wonderful session. So just like sir told, in terms of presentation and the content, it was very nice. And I could feel ki whatever you were sharing, it was coming out from your heart. So definitely PPT to nahi tha, but आपके जो emotions थे, जो words थे, everything was there visible. How much you loved reading the book. So that's really nice. And question answer format में आपने बताया उसका, it was very nice, very understandable also. So do keep up, and hopefully next time when we have some presentation competitions, we'll get to see your PPT also. So all the best for future also. And I think Nitesh won't be able to join. I've tried contacting him many times, but his phone is also not connecting due to network coverage issues, and he's facing weak connectivity problems. So we won't be able to have his presentation, although he had also prepared, and it was very, it was really very wonderful presentation. So I think all the participants have presented, Akshay sir. So any concluding words which you would like to say?
Yeah, actually, I was just talking to like Nitesh also. I tried, maybe he can call, because through Zoom we can also add like that, but I think somehow that's not possible. But yeah, definitely all those who gave the presentation, it was really very nice. Actually, I am very happy to see all of you growing so nicely. In fact, I am also taking inspiration from all of you. I see such nice PPTs all of you have made. Karthike, Deepak also had made so beautiful PPT and all like that. So definitely, और आप सब लोगों ने जिन्होंने PPT form किया है, it definitely some scope of improvement is there that we can do. And yeah, overall it was very nice actually. At least I am very, very happy seeing all the PPTs and how you spoke and how well you understood the subject matter. Either I talk about Amit, Karthik, Utkarsh, Karthike, Deepak, everyone actually, you all spoke very well, and definitely it shows that you have dedicated a very good amount of time to like inculcate all these different teachings in you. वो like एक दिन में नहीं आता है वो, it requires time, and definitely all of you are chanting. That's very important, because all of you are chanting. That is why this spiritual knowledge is able to sink in you like that. Especially आप देखेंगे बाहर बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो spiritual knowledge बोलते तो हैं, लेकिन उसका impact नहीं आता है किसी पे actually. People are not inspired to follow. Why? Because they are not following in their life itself like that. लेकिन all of us are able to have our heart very clean, and we are in touch with God by chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. And because all of you are doing that, that is why I could see that all of your presentation has got so much weight in it like that. So thank you so much for that. And definitely our toppers and all will be declared soon from this PPT. I think for that, Gaurav can plan someday where we can have the toppers also announced. together from both the groups like that.
Yes, sir. Actually, like we have received the Sadhana report card also, and all of them have, like most of them have performed very wonderfully. So we are having, like, we won't be able to declare it immediately. We'll need some time to analyze the winners. There's a good competition between all these participants, but surely in the coming week we'll be posting the results of the summer competition fest, and hopefully we'll have really nice winners also. But definitely whoever wins it, of course prize to alag cheez hai, but in one term everyone is a winner because everyone has put the maximum effort.
Yeah, sure. I can see, I think she's the youngest sister of Deepak, right, Deepak? Younger sister or brother, I don't know.
सर ये मेरे मामा जी का बेटा है, मतलब तंग कर रहा था उस समय से.
अच्छा अच्छा, no issues, yeah. Okay, ठीक है then, ना तो हम फिर मिलते हैं next time पे.
Okay, thank you so much
Till
everyone.
then, please take care, ना.
Thank you so much, Akshay sir. Thank you everyone for very wonderful presenting. We all loved your PPTs, and hopefully, jab we meet next time, we'll get to see more of your association. We'll have some wonderful time, and of course, in the next session also, we'll have some amazing discussions. Thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Good night. Hare
Thank you.
Krishna.
Hare
Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.